Let's face it, your garage isn't just a place to park your car. It's your workshop, your battlefield, your creative zone. But if you're still fighting with outdated gear or cluttered setups, it's time for a major upgrade. Today, we're showcasing 17 genius tools that'll make your garage smarter, your work faster, and your setup cleaner. Whether you're a mechanic, DIYer, or weekend warrior, these tools are pure efficiency in action. Compact, cordless, and ready in seconds, the IRODA SolderPro Original 50K Butane Soldering Iron Kit is a versatile 4-in-1 heat tool designed for electronics, repairs, and fieldwork. With 30 to 70 watt equivalent power and an 18-second heat-up time, it's ideal for quick soldering, heat shrinking, cutting rope, or plastic welding. Fueled by butane, it eliminates the need for cords or outlets, making it perfect for mobile techs and DIYers. The kit includes multiple tips and a sturdy case, so you're equipped for precision and portability right out of the box. Compact, magnetic, and built for tight workspaces, the Laser 8360 magnetic foldable parts tray keeps small tools, fasteners, and fixings right where you need them. Measuring just 115 by 115 by 50 millimeters and 19 millimeters when folded, it's easy to stash in a drawer or toolbox. The 5 rare earth magnets, 10 mm by 2 mm each, hold parts securely while the silicone-covered base protects surfaces from scratches. Whether you're wrenching on bikes, wiring up a panel, or assembling models, this tray is a handy sidekick for keeping your workspace organized and your parts in place. Flush out the mess with precision. The Laser 7686 Coolant System Flusher is a handheld tool designed to clear contaminated coolant quickly and efficiently, especially after head gasket repairs. It features 5 pipe-size connections, 19 mm to 40 mm for broad compatibility, and a trigger-action nozzle with a locking clip for controlled flushing. With standard airline and water hose fittings, it integrates easily into your shop setup. Compact and purpose-built, it's a smart solution for technicians who need reliable coolant system maintenance without the bulk. Compact when stored, powerful when in use, the Ken Tool Stow & Go 4-way lug wrench is a smart upgrade from traditional cross wrenches. Built from heavy-duty alloy steel, it folds down to save trunk space and locks into place for solid leverage when you need it. The sliding arms give you extra torque for stubborn lug nuts, and the push-button center makes folding quick and easy. With 17, 19, and 21 mm sockets and a 1/2-inch square drive adapter, it's ready for most vehicles and compatible with additional sockets. At just 3.9 pounds and 16 inches long, it's a space-saving essential for roadside repairs or garage work. No more guessing games when pulling into tight garage spaces. The STKR garage side parking sensor gives you real-time feedback to protect your mirrors and vehicle sides. Mounted directly to your garage door track with no drilling or wiring, it uses ultrasonic detection to monitor side clearance as you enter. The LED and siren system guides you in. Green means go, yellow means caution, and red with a siren means stop. With a customizable warning range from 4 inches to 24 inches, you can dial in the perfect stop point for your setup. Powered by 4 AA batteries or USB-C, it's a simple, effective upgrade for safer parking, especially in narrow or cluttered garages. Wall-mounted, space-saving, and road trip-ready, the InterVac Garage Vac is a compact cleaning powerhouse built for versatility. Whether you mount it flush or on the surface, it frees up floor space while delivering strong suction across hard surfaces, upholstery, carpets, concrete, and tile. The 35-foot stretch hose reaches deep into corners, and the HEPA filtration system traps 99.7% of dust, pollen, and allergens for cleaner air. With a 1-gallon bag capacity, onboard accessory storage, and a lightweight 16-pound frame, it's ideal for garages, RVs, boats, and utility rooms. Quick to install and easy to relocate, this corded vacuum is built for both stationary setups and mobile cleanups. Skip the struggle and save your back. The TRAC tire jack makes tire changes faster, safer, and easier. Designed to lift and roll tires into place, this compact tool supports up to 350 pounds with a heavy-duty welded steel frame built for durability. The steel-based roller lets you align tires smoothly without wrestling them into position, ideal for cars, trucks, trailers, and SUVs. At just 8 pounds and under 19 inches long, it's easy to store and maneuver, making it a smart addition to any garage or mobile repair kit. Whether you're rotating tires or swapping out flats, This jack keeps the job controlled and efficient.
Declutter your garage with confidence. The Gladiator multi-purpose GearTrack pack is built to organize tools, gear, and more with heavy-duty reliability. The 42.5-inch GearTrack channel supports up to 75 pounds per linear foot, while the 5 scoop hooks each hold 25 pounds, perfect for hanging everything from hand tools to extension cords. Installation is quick, and the modular design lets you expand your setup as needed. With a lifetime limited warranty on hooks and 10-year warranty on the channel, it's a long-term solution for keeping your workspace clean, efficient, and ready for action. Bright, flexible, and ready to travel, the SCANGRIP Tower 5 Connect is a portable floodlight built for pros who need serious illumination without the bulk. With 2 integrated LED heads delivering up to 5,000 lumens, it lights up large work areas with ease. The 360-degree adjustable heads and 2-level brightness control, 50% or 100%, let you dial in the perfect beam for any task. Its quick-fold tripod system sets up in seconds and collapses just as fast, making it ideal for mobile crews. Compatible with 18-volt and 20-volt batteries from major brands via SCANGRIP connector sold separately, this light runs cordless and packs down compact for easy transport. Lightweight, durable, and versatile, it's a job site lighting solution that moves as fast as you do. Compact, precise, and built for messy jobs, the Thorstone 200cc Automotive Fluid Extractor Pump is a must-have for DIYers and pros tackling fluid changes in tight spaces. Its syringe-style design and 2 included PVC suction tubes, 0.24 and 0.32 OD, up to 40 centimeters combined, make it easy to reach transmission fluid, brake fluid, gear oil, and more, even in hard-to-access spots. The dual rubber ring seal and precision threading prevent leaks, while the locking button keeps the tube secure during use. Chemical and oil resistant, it's ideal for ATVs, boats, RVs, mowers, and vehicles of all kinds. At under $12, it's a budget-friendly tool that punches above its weight in versatility and convenience. Slide under or sit low. The KROAK 36-inch 2-in-1 Z Creeper seat adapts to your workflow with a quick pin-lock conversion from creeper to stool. Built on a tubular steel frame rated for 330 pounds, it stays stable whether you're rolling under a car or working at wheel height. The 6 360-degree TPR rubber wheels glide smoothly across garage floors, and the water and oil-resistant leather padding keeps cleanup simple. Measuring 36 inches by 16.3 inches by 4.5 inches, it's compact yet comfortable, with sponge cushioning that supports long sessions. Ideal for shops, garages, or DIY auto repair, this creeper is built to move with you, literally. Comfort meets mobility in the VEVOR Mechanic Stool, a rolling creeper seat built for long hours in the garage or shop. With a pneumatic height adjustment from 16 inches to 22 inches, you can dial in the perfect working position without bending or straining. The 25-pound capacity and stable center of gravity ensures solid support, while the wide padded seat keeps you comfortable through extended tasks. Down below, a steel tool tray offers impact resistance and smart storage right in the footrest, keeping your gear organized and within reach. The 5 2.5-inch 360-degree casters glide smoothly across concrete, tile, or workshop floors, making repositioning effortless. Whether you're detailing a car, fixing furniture, or tackling low-profile repairs, this stool rolls with you, literally and figuratively. You're halfway through a tire rotation in the driveway. The jack's up, the wheel's off, and now you need a stable lift that won't wobble, sink, or require extra gear. That's where the Powerbuilt 3-ton Uni-Jack comes in. This clever all-in-one tool combines a hydraulic bottle jack and jack stand into one compact unit, lifting and locking vehicles up to 6,000 pounds with a range of 11 inches to 21 inches. The ratcheting safety bar secures your height, while the wide base keeps things steady even on soft ground. Built to ANSI standards and backed by a 1-year warranty, it's a reliable, space-saving solution for trucks, SUVs, trailers, and RVs. Diagnosing electrical issues just got faster and safer with the VXSCAN PT100 Automotive Power Circuit Probe Kit. Designed for 12-volt to 24-volt systems, this all-in-one tester features 6 diagnostic modes, including DC and AC voltage, resistance, diode, waveform, and current detection, making it easy to trace shorts, test continuity, activate components, and check grounds without blowing fuses. The 160 by 128 TFT display offers clear readouts, while the built-in flashlight keeps your workspace visible in low light. A 20-foot cord gives you full reach around vehicles, and the integrated circuit breaker adds a layer of protection against overloads. Whether you're working on trailers, trucks, or cars, this tool is a time-saving essential for any serious tech or DIYer.
Dead battery in the driveway? Don't sweat it. The EFFORTWAY 25A smart battery charger is built to revive, maintain, and protect your power source with precision. Compatible with 12V lithium iron phosphate and 12V and 24-volt lead-acid batteries, it supports capacities from 15 Ah to 250 Ah and offers variable current settings for tailored charging. The 6-stage charging process ensures safe, efficient power delivery, automatically switching to trickle mode once full to keep batteries fresh during long storage. It doubles as a desulfurator, maintainer, and reconditioner with a 0-volt start function to wake up deeply discharged batteries. The LCD panel shows real-time data and built-in protections. Short circuit, reverse polarity, low voltage, and smart cooling keep your gear safe. Ideal for cars, trucks, motorcycles, and trailers. Whether you're checking tires in freezing cold or blazing heat, the Edenwolf T300 digital tire pressure gauge delivers reliable readings every time. Calibrated to ANSI B40.7 Grade 2A with plus or minus 0.5% accuracy, it handles pressures from 3 to 200 psi, making it ideal for everything from motorcycles to RVs and heavy-duty trucks. The built-in AI chip with thermal compensation ensures consistent performance in extreme temperatures, -4 to 130 degrees F, while the LED-lit display and replaceable AAA batteries keep it user-friendly and long-lasting. Compact yet tough, this gauge can even survive being run over without losing function. At under $8, it's a rugged, high-precision tool that belongs in every glove box or garage drawer. Fuel transfers don't have to be messy or slow. The Hrozdi battery-operated gas and water pump makes it clean, quick, and portable. Powered by either 2D batteries or 6 AA batteries not included, this handheld pump delivers up to 2.2 gallons per minute, ideal for moving gasoline, diesel, kerosene, or water from 3 to 5 gallon containers. The 16-inch suction tube and 2-foot hose provide solid reach for most emergency or routine jobs, while the 1-inch diameter fits standard fuel openings. Built from non-toxic, corrosion-resistant plastic, it's lightweight and easy to operate. Just flip the switch and go. Whether you're topping off a generator, draining a tank, or transferring fluids in the garage, this pump keeps the process safe and hassle-free. And there you have it, 17 tools that prove small innovations can make a massive difference in your garage. From smarter lighting to cordless soldering to powerful vacuums and precision gadgets, these are upgrades that work as hard as you do. Which one impressed you the most? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more tool tech that's worth your attention.